What is peer review for secondary sources? Imagine trying to find trustworthy information for a school project. How do you know if what you're reading is accurate and reliable? That's where peer review comes in. Peer review is a process where experts in a specific field carefully examine a secondary source before it gets published. These experts check if the information is correct, clear, and follows academic standards. They look at whether the author has interpreted original research properly and without mistakes or bias. Secondary sources are materials that analyze, interpret, or summarize primary sources. For example, a history book that discusses events based on original documents or a scientific review article that summarizes many research studies are secondary sources. When these sources go through peer review, it adds a layer of trustworthiness. It confirms that the author's interpretation is based on solid evidence and that the information is credible. For students working on research projects, understanding peer review is very helpful. Peer-reviewed secondary sources are more respected and reliable in academic work. They show how experts analyze and discuss original research, which helps students learn how to evaluate information. Using these sources can make a student's argument stronger because the background information has been checked for accuracy. When reading secondary sources, look for signs of peer review. Check if the article was published in an academic journal or if it has citations and a bibliography. These clues suggest that the source has been reviewed by other professionals. Remember, peer review is about making sure the information is trustworthy and based on good evidence. In short, peer review for secondary sources means that other experts have examined the article to ensure it accurately explains and supports the original research. This process helps students find trustworthy information for their research papers and projects. It's a way to make sure the sources you use are credible and well supported by evidence.